Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'd like to share with you what I received in my design team kit from K4U. Now at the moment they have got a sale on, 50% off of everything in their Zibbet store. I'll put a link to that in the description box below, so pop over, check it out, 50% off, great deal. There's no code or coupon required, everything's done internally. So let's have a look what we've got here. To start, we've got some black lace. Now, black lace is very handy, I think. And you can see there, very pretty, very pretty. So I can use that on cards or layouts or even on a mini album. I've got this white lace. Now this lace is very broad, but I think that I could use it for a lot of different things. So you could just cut out the circle. You could cut it along here so that you would have that lace. You could cut it along that edge and just have the circles and just a little border on each side. So there's lots of ways we can use that lace. I've got some chipboard wings, so I've got 3 sets of wings here. I'm thinking that I might use these on an art journal page. So they're really nice. Very nice big ones, and then we've got some smaller ones here. I like the way that these flick up so much like that. So 3 sets of wings there. I've got this stamp. It's just an all over spot pattern, and I think that that would make a great background for a card. So you could have a spotty background in whatever colour you wanted. You could also heat emboss it so you've got a texture to your page as well. So that's that. I've got this 6-inch paper pad. It's called Indian Summer by Basic Grey. I'm doing a course at the moment with Alison Davis, using up 6-inch paper pads on scrapbooking pages. So I'm going to use some of these pages to create a page or two in that course. So that will be very handy. And I've also got this paper pad. Came in a packet, but I opened the packet. It's a Basil Basics paper, 24 sheets of double-sided paper here, and I can see these being used to create masculine cards of some sort, so that's my plan for that paper. There's lots of lovely, there's some neutrals and some patterns, and yeah, see something like that. So plenty of goodies in there. Don't forget the sale, 50% off, only in the Zibbet store. The other K4U store is just normal. You don't need a code, you don't need a coupon, it will all be handled internally, so check it out. The link will be below. You might also like to think about subscribing to my channel. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd love it if you did subscribe, and if you click the bell next to the subscribe button, you'll be notified when I post a new video. I think you have to click the bell and then click all. Okay, thanks for being here, and I hope you can join me for my next video.